Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I am from the Bodhi Academy. I am going to teach you different topics of 9th standard maths. And today we will start with coordinate geometry. Okay. What is coordinate geometry? It is all about marking floating points on Cartesian plane. Now, we used to mark C. We'll start with a number line. Okay. A number line has 0, then the numbers on the right hand side are +1, +2, +3, 4 and so on. Then the numbers on the left side of the 0 are -1, -2, -3. Okay, and so on. Now we will, okay, this is my x-axis now. Okay. Now in the Cartesian plane we will also have a y-axis. Okay. Now, this point is called origin, which will have 0, 0. Now, this will be my positive axis, positive y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And this will be my negative y-axis. -1, -2, -3, -4. Now, if I want to mark a point on this Cartesian plane, I'll be marking this point on in the form of x, y, where x will denote the point in x-axis and y will denote a point on y-axis. Okay. Now, okay. Suppose example. If I want to mark 1, 2. Okay. I told you that we will mark the point in the form x, y axis. So this will be my x point and this will be my y point. So here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So x is positive 1. Now see the sign of this one. This is positive. But we usually don't write the positive sign. So this is my 1. So my 1, positive 1 on x-axis is here. And my positive 2 on y-axis will be here. So just join this one. This will be my 1, 2. So yes. Okay. Now we will move 1, 0. Okay. What you do when you have a 0 point? Okay. So this is my x is here 1 and y is 0. X is 1. So x is 1 here and y axis is 0. So the point will come only on the x axis. So this will be my 1, 0. Okay. Now when you have suppose minus, okay, 0, -2. Okay, here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to -2. Okay, -2. Now here x is 0 means the point will come on y-axis. Now on positive y-axis or negative y-axis, the point here is -2. So the point will come on -2. So here the point will be here. So this is my 0, -2. So this is all about plotting a graph on a Cartesian plane. Okay. In the first quadrant, these are called all these parts are called quadrants. Quadrants. This is my first quadrant. This is my second. This is my third and this is my fourth. Okay. The point in the first quadrant, C, looks like positive, positive. Why positive, positive? Because x-axis here is positive and y is also positive. So we are taking positive, positive. Now let's see in the second quadrant. Okay, here x-axis C, all the points are negative. So first will be negative, positive. Y-axis is positive here. Okay, so the point will look like minus comma plus. Then in the third quadrant, the point will look like minus comma minus, because the x-axis points are also minus and the y-axis, the point on the y-axis are also negative. So minus comma minus. In the fourth quadrant, C, the x-axis is positive. So this will be positive comma negative. So understood this or understand this, and we are going to apply this on in the exercise. Okay, now we will start with exercise 3.2. Okay, what is the first question? Okay, write the answers of each of the following questions. The first question. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point? Okay, now horizontal line and the vertical line in the Cartesian plane. Okay, we saw that Cartesian plane is, see, like this. This. We name this line as x-axis and we name this line as y-axis. Now, which is the horizontal line here? This is the horizontal line here. So this is my x-axis. Okay. Now, which is the vertical line here? This is my vertical line. So this is my y-axis. Okay. Now, the second question. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? These two lines means horizontal and the vertical line, that is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now they are forming each part here in the Cartesian plane, and we saw that this part is called the first quadrant. This part is second quadrant. This part is third quadrant and this part is fourth quadrant. So the part they are forming is called what? Each part is called quadrant. Now the third question. Okay. What is the name of the point where these two lines intersect? Now they are intersecting. So they are meeting at a point. This is the point where they are meeting. So we name this point, we mark this point as 0, 0. So this point 0, 0 is called origin. Okay. Now the second question. Okay. We'll move on to the second question. We'll have to draw the figure. Okay. In this figure, x-axis and y-axis are given. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. X-axis positive points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Negative points of x-axis are, this is my 0, -1, -2, -3, then -4 and -5. This is my y-axis. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Then positive y-axis is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the negative axis, y-axis. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Okay. So now we will start marking the points as given in the question. Okay. So this is my point D. See here, starting from here, this is going up to 6th. This is my point D. Now this is my point L. Okay. Now starting from here up to -5. -5 is my point B. Now M point is where? Okay. At -3 and -5. This is my point E and this is my point M. Okay. Now, okay. G point is from 2 and -4. And this is my C point. Starting from -5 and 5. This is my C. Okay. So now we will answer our questions. So first question. Okay. The coordinates of point B. Coordinates of point what? B. Okay. Where is my B point? Here. Okay. So B is equal to, how we write this point in which form? X comma y. Here. Tell me what is B. X. X here. B point is here. What is the X coordinate? See here. Here is the X axis. So this is my -5 is my X coordinate. And what is my Y coordinate on the Y axis, which is 2. So my B coordinate is -5 comma 2. Then the second question. The coordinates of C. Okay. Now the coordinates of C is here. This is the X axis point here 5. So we'll mark in the same way. 5 comma the Y axis point down. This is -5. Then the third question. The point identified by the coordinates -3 comma -5. So see here, x axis is also negative, x point is also negative, y point is also negative. Okay. So here -3 and -5. Which is the point? E. Point is E. Now the fourth one. The fourth one. Okay. The point identified by the coordinates 2 comma -4. So tell me, where is the 2 comma -4 point? See, x is what? 2 and y is what? -4. So x is 2 here and -4 is here. So the point is G. Point is G. Now the fifth question. The epsica of the point D. Okay. Now we will mark. First we will write the point. D point is x-axis C, comma 2. Okay. Here. Okay. X-axis is 6 and y-axis is 2. Okay. Epsica is the x-axis point. Here the x-axis point is 6. So epsica is epsica abscissa is 6. Then 6. The ordinate of the point H. Where is the point H? Okay. Okay. This is my point H. Starting from -3 to -5. Okay. Ordinate of the point H. First we will write what is my point H. That is, x-axis is -5 and y-axis is -3. Okay. Now H. X-axis is what? X point is what? -5 and y-axis is -3. Okay. Now the points on the x-axis are called abscissa and the points on the y-axis are called ordinate. So ordinate is what? Here -3. Okay. So now the seventh question. Okay. 7. The coordinates of the point L. First we will write what is my L point. Where is my L point? See here. This is my L point. Okay. Okay. Now the L point, this point is on the y-axis. Totally on the y-axis. So x-axis will be 0. X comma y. So x-axis is my 0. And y point is what? 5. Which is marked on the y-axis. Then the last one. Eighth one. Okay. The coordinates of the point M. Okay, so M point is here. So M point is on the x-axis. So x-axis here -3 and there is no y point. So my y point will be 0. So this is my M point. So yeah, we are done with the exercise 3.0. So thank you everyone and take care.